Of course, I'm a black woman in tech, and I teach to the CompTIA A plus standard. Of course, I'm a black woman in tech, and I can teach you how to fix workstations, desktop, laptops. Of course, I can teach you how to fix Windows-based PCs. Of course, as a black woman in tech, I can teach you how to fix MacBooks. Of course, as a black woman in tech, I teach at CellBotics. Of course, as a black woman in tech, I went to college at 15 years of age. Of course, as a black woman in tech, if you go to cellbotics.com and sign up, I'll teach you 8 ways to get paid. Of course, as a black woman in tech, I can teach you how to make $10,000 a month. Of course, as a black woman in tech, I'm located in the Atlanta metro area and I have a class once a month. Of course, as a black woman in tech, a lot of folks aren't going to believe it. Then they're going to wait for the last minute and there won't be any more classes. Of course, as a black woman in tech, I can teach you how to be the best CompTIA A plus technician around. Of course, as a black woman in tech, I challenge you to sign up for my class. Of course, for those of you that do, you'll find it is the greatest education you can get, and it doesn't cost a whole lot. That's me, a black woman in tech, and I'll see you at CellBotics.